Now, when we're working with special forms, we're pretty much always unconsciously doing substitution, just substituting into the form. But sometimes we need to make choices. Like, what if I asked you to factor the polynomial x to the sixth minus 64? Well, you'd have two choices, right? You could write this as x squared cubed minus 4 cubed and factor it as a difference of cubes. And then this thing factors as a difference of squares, doesn't it? What about this thing? Does it factor? I don't know, right? I mean, it might factor. It doesn't have two binomial factors, I don't think. I certainly can't do it by substitution because difference of cubes always gives me a prime quadratic. But maybe it's a product of two trinomials, or I could do something weirder? I don't know. My other choice would be to say that this is x cubed squared minus 8 squared, and factor it first as a difference of squares. Oh, but now this is a difference of cubes, and this guy is a sum of cubes. Oh. Comparing these two factorizations, this guy did factor, didn't he? He factored as the product of these two. How could I avoid getting stuck like this? Well, that's simple. When you're choosing a substitution, always choose the one that gives the simplest factored form. So prefer difference of squares over difference of cubes. Really prefer everything over difference of cubes because this trinomial is always awkward.